What's up, crew? Today we are I'm actually reframing a picture into an existing frame. And I don't have one of the framing point guns that you see if you have ever had anything professionally mounted or whatever, or if you just done a picture, they have these little bitty points that shoot into the side to keep the backing on so your picture stays in place. I don't have one of those guns, and I don't do this often enough to do that. So what I'm going to use is what's called glazer's points or glazing points. You can pick them up at any of your favorite home improvement stores, Amazon, or somewhere like the paint department in Walmart. Reframing a picture or a piece of art, reframing a picture is not that difficult. What I actually wind up doing is I took an existing print out of here because we've got a duplicate. I put it back behind the one I want to put in there, held it in place with standard Scotch tape. The Scotch brand tape, it's safe for pictures, so you can actually put it on the back to help hold it in place so it doesn't kind of slide inside the frame. The tools we'll actively be using today, besides the framer's points, besides the glazing points, is just a little 7-ounce hammer and a putty knife. Stuff everybody probably has around their house, a hammer of some sort, and basically something hard and flat. I thought about using a screwdriver, but I prefer this because it actually spreads the impact out. Now, if you weren't familiar, glazer's points are actually designed to hold glass in place. It's actually good for exactly what we're using this for. Let's go to work. That's it. This thing is ready to hang. If you've got any questions, please feel free to leave it down in the comments. I'll do the best I can to answer anything. Don't forget, like, subscribe. You know the whole 9 yards on that one. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys found it useful. If there's anything like that you'd like to see in the future, please make sure to leave that down in the descriptions. And until next time, think outside the box and do something cool.